We all love a good beat. Some people are really good at it. But who doesn't like to try? Playing a bongo or drums is great to make music and even better, exercise.
Bongo, 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 bongo.
The same goes for children. AAA State of Play's bongo drums are a great musical and exercise addition to your playground. The set comes with 2 drums, each with their own different pitch. The drums inspire creative thinking. They also work large and small muscles. Children can develop motor and musical skills. Our bongo drums expand a child's playtime options. They are a great way to experiment and burn energy. And with sturdy construction that holds up to the elements outdoors, you just can't beat it.